I just finished our first wall. It's got the rock wool all behind it, fully framed. The only, it's nice and level. The only thing I didn't try to fix was that the ceiling, the vaulted ceiling here is not it doesn't come down quite level. So this edge, this corner, where the vertical wall meets the cathedral wall, the ceiling will not be quite straight, but I don't think it's going to be too noticeable. Most of the curve is tucked away in that corner, and there's likely to be furniture there, so I'm not going to bother with that. And so just gotta stuff some insulation in here now that there's a little bit of wood here for it to rest on. And there's some drywall backing that still needs to go in. So I'll need some drywall backing across this rafter bay, and across this far one. But very exciting. Very excited to have one wall completed.